Okay, I've really changed my mind and I am going back to slicing it up into rings and trying to turn it into what I originally intended. So my plan is, I've covered everything in masking tape. I've put a blue line down there so that I can reassemble these in the same order. And it also allows me to mark in pen just some points here and there where I'm going to part. I'm going to turn 6mm ring, 3mm part all the way down. I'm starting the cut off with a parting tool to try and avoid getting tear out, and the other reason, the masking tape should also help getting tear out. Then I'm going to come in the middle with a thin parting tool being very careful when I withdraw the tool. And what I should have said is this, at the end I've turned like a jam centre, goes in there 15mm, so 6, 3 and another 6, so that ring should stay where it is when this is parted. And it still should have some support. Oh, and the other thing is, I've only got to turn down about 10mm once I'm on that thing. 8mm. It leaves. I bored it out originally to 68mm, and then where it's at 15, I've took it to 70mm. That, in other words, the tenon on the end of this is 70mm. So it'll leave me with an 8mm wall thickness anyway. And my light isn't very good to see how far down I am. I can see I'm still not quite there. If I see any glue voids on my way down, I'm going to drizzle in some super glue. I'll just part this one ring off on the camera. Whoa! I caught a tip then, didn't I? Let's see where it is. There, just splintered a little bit off. It's not bad. So you really got to be careful when you withdraw the tool. I'll have a look at that, see if that ring's parted. It's not quite parted. Ah, that's what happened. That moved, so I'll have to be a bit careful. Oh, it is it's not quite parted. It is parted. So there's one ring. And I'll probably put that in the chuck that way round, because there's a tenon on there, and just straighten that edge up before I do the next ring. And I'll just keep doing that, rinse and repeat. Bore it out down to about 20 millimeters at 70 millimeter diameter. Mark up the next one, fill any glue voids with super glue if there are any. It seemed pretty good, and then straighten up the ring. Hopefully it's not a tight fit on here, so hopefully this ring does come off, but I'm going to turn it flat. It came off easy. I just got a 2-inch chisel, just give it a little lever and it came out lovely. So that's one ring. I think I've got 10 more to do, and the bottom of this is already plugged. That's glued in, and that will be the base, so no matter where I get down to, I'll part off 6mm from that end. That'll be the base. So I'll make a, don't want to drop them, they're not going to be that strong, and come back when I've done a load.